Brimo.
Brimo
Is very good.
So Brimo versus Johnny Drill, which one would you go for?
That's hard. Oh my god. I would say
can you please introduce yourself?
My name is Blessed Philly, and I'm the CEO of Blizzy's Kitchen.
Welcome to Podcast Blessed Philly.
Thank you.
Can you introduce yourself, please?
My name is Marie Philly, and I'm part of the food challenge.
What do you do, Marie Philly?
So you're so sweet.
I'm a personal shopper. That's what I do.
Can you two guess what we have on the table today?
Chicken.
Close?
Goat head.
Okay, ladies, we have 10 minutes to see how many pieces of what we have inside the plate we can finish. 10 minutes. Aside that, we have side questions where we will ask you ladies, and then you can win some extra cash from that. Without any further delays, let's get into the competition. We can now open. You see, chicken is almost close to what we have on the table. So your time starts now.
Ooh. No, this one is too big. I think it's small one.
Please be audible.
I'll take the small one.
this is nice.
Are you ladies ready for my questions?
Yes.
You ladies didn't even ask where we got the chicken from, who made it, how it was brought down to the venue. No questions, just straight to the point.
This is the best.
Delicious.
First question, which Nigerian artist do you think is currently underrated?
And then afterwards, underrated. Johnny Dream.
Johnny Drill.
Wow.
Do you agree with that, Blessed?
I think it's Johnny Drill is one. Then there's one. I think what's his name now? What's this guy's name?
Remember, you have 10 minutes.
10 minutes. This guy sings Yoruba songs as well.
I feel the song.
He sang was in Oleku, not the other.
Nice.
No.
Sorry. Tell me some ice cream.
Not the other one, the guy that.
Brimo.
Brimo.
Brimo
is very
Brimo
good.
is very good.
So Brimo versus Johnny Drill, which one would you go for?
That's hard. Oh my god. I would say Johnny Drill because I'm a lover girl. So Johnny Drill.
Blessing, do you agree with Johnny Drill?
No, I think Brimo is overrated. Because Brimo has been in the game for a long time.
Underrated, you mean?
You said underrated, didn't you?
Yes.
So he's underrated. He's a good artist that is underrated.
Good. Second question. What is your dream Nigerian music collaboration?
I think everyone is dreaming about this collabo. They're all dreaming about it. Whiskey and Davido.
But I think Whiskey, Burna Boy and Davido.
What?
Because Whiskey, they already have a song he already has a song with Davido, does he not?
I don't think so.
No.
Oh, okay, they only perform together on the stage, yeah.
So your dream collaboration is Whiskey,
Burna Boy.
Davido, or Whiskey, Davido and Burna Boy?
Yeah. Whiskey, Davido and Burna Boy.
Final answer, Whiskey, Davido and Burna Boy. Let's go to the next question.
Mary, you didn't finish your talk, you.
I will.
She's speaking the small one.
Crunch the ball.
No.
You have to
You have to love meat. Look at that. You are not winning this game. Finish it, and she's picking the small ones.
Okay, let me finish it. I'll come back to this. Oh my god. It's so nice and so full.
This one. Look like that too. I can't eat this one. It's so big.
It's so good.
It's even scary.
Next question. Which Nigerian
I
actor
finished mine.
calls herself the Queen Mother?
Oh, that one.
The Queen Mother. Nigerian actor.
Queen Mother, you don't know?
The Queen Mother.
You don't know her?
Bojo.
Final answer, Boojubooju.
Final answer, Boojubooju.
Boojubooju is correct.
Oh my god.
If you had to pick one album from a Nigerian artist to listen to forever, which one would it be?
An album from Nigerian artists. Do we have to like call the name of the album, or we just name the name of the artist?
The particular album.
Oh my god.
I don't know album
I
name.
don't know album name.
But I know one artist I can listen to.
So tell us the name of the artist.
Davido.
Do you agree with that, Mary?
No.
So what artist do you think you would listen to?
I would say there are two, but let me pick one. That's Fireboy.
Fireboy. Fireboy versus Davido. Who's winning the show?
Close Fireboy.
Blessing, do you agree?
No? Davido.
Let's go to the next question.
Wow.
Who is your favorite Nollywood actor of all time?
Not even after.
You answer it.
But the person I love most is I don't think actually. And I love, yeah, I love Boojubooju as well. She's good.
Mary, do you agree with that?
Yes, I love them, but I would say my favorite is Boojubooju.
Final answer. Boojubooju or TURKEYwings?
TURKEYwings is a genius, but I love Boojubooju's accent. That woman is good.
Okay, you have 4 minutes more.
Oh my god.
Of your food.
No, I give up now. Yeah, this one. I have 3 plus this.
Oh my god, this stuff is so nice.
So are you ladies giving up the cash prize, or you're going to wrap up the food and then go home
We eat everything.
500k?
We'll finish everything, but I need to go home with 500k.
You have to eat these ones. Me, I'm tired. Even this one, I'm trying.
This is a conversation. Are you listening to me?
Yes, I don't mind.
Okay.
This is why I'm sweating.
This chocolate is so nice and spicy. I love it. I'm enjoying it.
Thank you, Mary.
Yeah.
This chicken were made by Blizzy's Kitchen.
Yeah, she's the best, guys. She's the best. Trust me. I think I'm done here too. See these two? They look scary.
I can't even start it. I made a mistake by starting this one.
Are you ladies giving up?
I'm done at this point.
I need fun.
We tried.
Well then, it's quite unfortunate. I've been walking away with my 500k cash prize.
But you can share it, split it.
Unfortunately,
At least we ate 2-2.
Let's do
the deal is you have to finish the plate. You have to finish it on the plate.
My mother.
Alright ladies, thank you for coming to today's foodcast. And then we hope to see you next time. And hopefully then you can walk away with our cash prize.
Yes.
500,000 naira.
Hey.
Do you have anything to say to the viewers?
Nothing much. We just want to say, you guys, Blizzy's Kitchen is the best. This turkey is so nice and spicy, so as our other foods. So you guys should click on the add button and add Blizzy's Kitchen. You will regret it.
Thank you very much, Mary. Blessing, do you have anything to say?
I just want to say, if you want to come on this show, make sure your stomach is empty. Now I feel so sad because I can't even eat. I'm seeing something I really love and I can't finish it, even though I've eaten too. So make sure if you want to come on this show, make sure your stomach is empty because now it's going to be, But yes, like she said, if you want to order for food, you want to have your parties, anything, message Blizzy's Kitchen, and we'll see you next time.
Thank you, ladies. That will be the end of the show. Hope to see other participants next time.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.